morning student, myself Anup Kumar, and it is my fifth video here. Okay, so in previous video we have already discussed about the concept to find any square root by long division method. Okay students, so to today we will again find some question based on long division method and how to find least number which must be subtracted or added to get a perfect square. Okay student, so let's start. Now here the first question, we have to find the square root of 19,600, okay, by long division method only. So again we will write only the word 9600, 196600, and we will separate into periods, okay, and from unit digit. It means 20 will be the last period, then we will write the recurring sign over it, then 96, on 96 we will write recurring sign, then on 1 we will write dot only because it is only one unit digit, one digit. Okay, then we will draw a longer and a smaller line like this, and then here now the first period is 1, so we will start with 1. So 1 into 1, 1, it is equal to, because we not take 2, because 2 to is 4, it is more than 1, more than first period, so we will not take 2, we will take 1, and we will write 1 3 times, 2 1 in divisor and 1 in quotient. Okay, now we will 1, so we will write 1, that is product of the divisor, just below to the first period, okay, like this, and then we will add both the divisor, then we will get 1 plus 1 2, and we will subtract both the first period and the product of the divisor, then we will get 0, and then we will note down the second period just beside it, 96. Okay, now again if 2 is here, then if you will start with 1, then it will be 2 already, 1 1, it means 21 1, or if you will take 2, then 22 into 2, like this you can take. Just below the 2 we will write the another value which starting with 1 just beside to 2. Okay, now so 21 1 is 21, less than 96, 22 2 is 44, again less than 96, 23 3 is 69, again less than 96, 24 4 is 96, equal to 96. It means we will take 4 and we will write this 4 3 times like this. Here 2 in divisor and 1 in quotient. Then 24 into 4, product of the divisor will be 24 into 4 is equal to 96 over the second period, below the second period. Okay, then we will add 24 plus 4, we will get 28, and 96 cancel out, and the 0 we will note down the second. Now to get 0 we have to multiply it with 0 0, we will start with 0 also, so 0 into 0, so we will add 0 3 times, 2 in divisor and 1 in quotient, you can see. Now 280 into 0, 0, it means we can add 2 more 0 here just below the third period. Okay, now add 280 plus 0, 280, and 0 0 cancelled out. It means we can say that the square root of 19,600 will be 140. Okay, now student, let's see the another question. Now this time we have to find the least number. Now it which must be subtracted. Here subtracted what is used. In previous video we have discussed to multiplied and to divided. So that time we have used what? We have used prime factorization method. But if to find the least number to be subtracted or to added, then in this case we will use only long division method. Okay, so let's see long division method. Now by long division method we will find the square root of 9222. It is not a perfect square, it means the remainder came. Okay, now here we will write the recurring sign over double 2 from last, and then 92. Okay, then we will draw 2 longer and a smaller line, then 92, the first period is 92, so 0 0 0, 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 25, up to 9, 0 to 9 we will see, and the same number we will multiply to get the divisor. So you can see 9 9 ja 81, 81 is the less than 92, but you cannot take the 2 digit number. Okay, it means up to 9 we will go, start with 0 and up to 9 we will go. So 9 9 is 81, so we will write 9 3 times, 2 in divisor area and 2 in quotient, 1 in quotient area. Then 9 9 is 81, we will write just below to the first period. Okay, then 9 plus 9 18 and 92 minus 81 will be what? 11, and then we will note down the second period 22. Now if we will take 1 into 1, 181 into 1, then the answer will be very few than 1122. Okay, so if we will multiply it with 6, then 186 into 6 it will be, then the value will be less than 1122. It will be 1116, and 6 we will write 3 times, 2 in divisor and 1 in quotient, then we will get 1116. Now add 186 plus 6, 192 we will get, and here we will subtract, then we will get 6 as a remainder. Okay, now so the if we will subtract 6 with 9222, then we will get the perfect square. It means the least square number will be what? The least square number will be 6. Okay, and if we will subtract 6 with this number, then we will get a perfect square. It means 9216 is the perfect square. Then what will be the square root of this perfect square? It is the square of 96. It means the square root of this will be only 96. So 96 will be the square root of the new square root. Okay, students. So let's see another question. Now question number 3. This time same question, but instead of subtraction, here error written. So we will follow the same process in long division method. So let's start to solve long division method. 5610, then recurring sign on 10, and then recurring sign on 56. Then we will draw two longer lines. Then the first period you can see the 56. It means if you will take 8 at just 64, it is more than 56. So 7 7 is 49. So we will take 7. 3 times we will write, 2 in divisor area and 1 in quotient area. So 7 plus 7, 14, and 7 7 is 49. We will subtract 56 minus 49, we will get 7, and 7 plus 7, 14. Okay, then we will note down the second period 10 just beside to the remainder after subtracting 56 and 49. It means 710. Okay, now if we will take 1, then 141 into 1, very few. 142 into 2, again very few. It means if we will take 4, then 144 into 4, then it will be less than 710. Because if we will take 145 into 5, then it will be 725, which is more than 710. It means we cannot take 5. So 4, 3 times we will write. Then 144 into 4, 576. Okay, then here we will add 144 plus 4, 148, and we will subtract it, then we will get what? 134. This is the remainder. Now how can we find it? Let's see. It is the added question. It means what number we will add. So if we can say that if we will subtract 134, then it will be a perfect square. Okay, but to subtract we will get the perfect square, but here it is written added. It means if we will subtract 134 with this number, then it will be the square of what? Square of which number? 74. Okay, then after 74, if we will take one more, 75, it means we can say that if we will subtract, then we will get 74 to the whole square, and if we will add, then we will get 75 to the whole square. It means this number is lying between 74 square and 75 square. So like this we can write that 5610 is less than that is 5610 is greater than 74 to the whole square, but it is less than to the 75 to the whole square. Okay, so to get the least number which must be added, we will subtract 75 to the whole square minus 5610. Okay, then we will get what? We will get 5625 minus 5610, it means 15. Okay, so 15 is the number which must be added to get a perfect square. Now what will be the perfect square of that number? We got 5625. So 5625 square root will be 75 square under root. It means only 75. So 75 will be that square root. Okay, so here two answer, one in 15 and second is 75. Okay students, so let's move to the next topic. Students, the next question here you can see, find the least number of 6 digits. This time we have to find the least number of 6 digits, which is a perfect square. No number is given, and we have to find the square root of that number so obtained also. Okay, so again here you can see that we know that the least number of 6 digits is 1 and 5 times 0, it means 1 lakh. Okay, now at first we will find the square root of that 5 digit smaller number. Okay, so by long division method we will apply. Now we will draw the recurring sign over the last two digits 0 0, then the second last period 0 0, then on 10. It means now you can see that there are three periods. First period 10, second period 00, third period 00. Then we will draw longer line, one longer line and one smaller line. Then now here you can see that first period is 10. So if we will start with 0, then 0 into 0 0, very few, then 10, then 1 into 1 1, less than 10, 2 into 2 4, less than 10, 3 into 3 9, less than 10, 4 into 4 16. It is more than 10. It means we cannot take 4. We have to take the previous number, that is 3. It means 3 into 3 9, and 3 we will write 3 times. 2 in divisor side and 2 in and 1 in quotient side. And 3 3 is 9. So that 9 we will write just below to the first period. Okay, and here we will add the both the divisor, 3 plus 3 6 and 10 minus 9 1, here like this. Now we will note down the second period just beside to the remainder 1. Okay, now here we can see the sum of the two divisor is 6. If we will write just beside to 6 as 0, then 6 0 and 0 we will add 3 times. So 60 into 0 will be 0, very few. Now 61 into 1, 61, less than 100. 62 into 2, 124. It means we cannot take 62 into 2. We have to take 61 into 1. So 1 we will write 3 times like this. 2 in divisor side and 2 in quotient, 1 in quotient side. Then 61 into 1, 61. So we will write 61 just below 200. Then we will add 61 plus 1, we will get 62, and subtract 100 and minus 61, we will get 39. Okay, and here we will note down the third period just beside to the remainder 39. Okay, now if we will, now after adding we will get 62. If we will add 1, then 621 into 1, only 621. Okay, so if we will multiply it with 6, then 626 into 6 will be less than 3900, because if we will take 627 into 7, then it will be more than 3900. It means we cannot take 7, we will take the previous value 6, and that 6 we have to write 3 times, 2 in divisor side already written and 1 in quotient side. Okay, now 626 into 6 will be 3756. Okay, now here we will add and there we will subtract, then we will get 632. After adding and after subtracting we will get 144. Okay, so if we will, then it is not a perfect square. It means if we will subtract 144 from 1 lakh, it means it will be smaller than 6 digit. But we have to find the least number of 6 digits. It means we cannot subtract, we have to add. It means, and if we have to add, it means this number is lying between which square number? Square of 316 and square of 317. This number is lying between here. So we can say that this number is lying between 316 to the whole square and 317 to the whole square. Okay, so to find that number which must be added, we will find 317 to the whole square minus 1 lakh. So it will be 1,00489 minus 1 lakh. So what we will get? 489. It means if we will add 489, then the required number we will get will be 1,00489, and which will be our answer. Okay, so and the square root of that number will be 317. But our answer is what? We have to find the, at first two answers we have to find. First, that find the least number of 6 digits which is a perfect square. It means 1,00489 is the least number of 6 digit, and which is a perfect square, and the square root of that number is 317. Okay students, so I hope that you all have understood. So next question. Now this time here area of square field is given 50625 meter square. Okay, and a boy cycles along its boundary at 18 km per hour. Speed given, we have to find the time. So to find the time we need distance also. So distance means what? Distance of the square field, and to find the distance of the square field we need side. Okay, but area only given. So we know that to find the perimeter of park we need side. So area of square field 50625. Now we know that the formula of area of square field will be side to the whole square. Okay, then we will remove the square, then we will write 50625 in root. Now we have to find the 50625 square root of 50625 by long division method. Okay, so let's start. Now recurring sign on the last two digit 25, then middle two digits 06 and one dot on 5. So you can see that we can divide 50625 into 3 periods. Okay, so then longer sign and one smaller sign, then 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1 less than 5, 2 into 2 4 less than 5, 3 into 3 9 more than 5. It means we cannot take 3, we will take 2 into 2. So we will write 2 3 times, 2 in divisor side and 1 in quotient side. Then 2 2 is 4, 2 plus 2 4 and 5 minus 4 1, and we will note down the second period 06 just beside 2 1. Okay, now here you can see 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So what number we will write here just beside 2 4 to get the number which is less than 106 or equal to 106. Okay, so if we will multiply with 2, because if we will take 3 then it will be more than 106. So we have to take 2 only. So 2 3 times we will write, 2 in divisor side and 1 in quotient side. So 42 2 is 84. That 84 we will write just below to 106, and 42 plus 2 is equal to 44. And here 2 to 20, 22 is the remainder, and then the third period will be 25. Okay. Now what number we will take? If we will take 6, then it will be more than 2225. Okay. So if we will take 5, then 5 we will write 3 times, and if we will multiply it then we will get the exactly 2225. So 2025 and 2225 we will cancel out, and 445 plus 5 will be 450. It means we can say that the square root of 50625 will be 225, and it is also the side of the field. Okay, now we know the side of the field, so we will apply the perimeter formula. So perimeter of the square will be 4 into side, and it is also distance covered by the boy in one round. Okay, so 4 into side, it means 4 into 225 is equal to 900 meter. It means the distance covered by boy will be 900 meter. Now after that we will apply the, at first before applying you can see the distance is in meter but speed is in kilometer per hour. So we will at first convert the speed of the boy in meter per second. So to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we will multiply with 5 by 18. Okay, so 18 cancelled out, then only 5 will left. It means 5 meter per second will be the speed of boy. Okay, now we will apply the formula of time, which is equal to distance by speed, or distance divided by speed. Now put the value, then we will get 180 second. Okay, so we will convert it into minute by dividing it with by 60, then we will get 3 minutes. It means we can say that the boy, it means hence boy will return to the starting point in 3 minutes, after 3 minutes. Okay students, so I hope that you all have understood. Thank you.